the truth behind wealth and success. Do you ever find yourself dreaming of a life filled with wealth and success? A life where you never have to worry about money again? Well, I'm here to tell you that what you see isn't always what you get. Welcome to The Great Lie, unmasking the truth behind wealth and success. We live in a world that constantly bombards us with images of people living the high life. They flaunt their fancy cars, their luxurious vacations, and their designer goods. It's easy to believe that money equals happiness, but the truth is far more complex. Behind all the glitz and glamour lies a truth that few are willing to share. Wealth and success often come at a high price. The stress, the pressure, the constant need to prove oneself can lead to unhappiness and even burnout. But there is a different path to success, one that is rooted in mindfulness and well-being. By shifting our mindset and redefining what it means to be successful, we can create a life of true fulfillment and joy. Success is about so much more than money. It's about doing what you love, making a difference in the world, and finding inner peace. When we focus on what truly matters, the wealth will naturally follow. So, let go of the belief that wealth is the ultimate measure of success. Embrace your passions, cultivate a mindful mindset, and watch as your life transforms. Success isn't about chasing money, it's about creating a life that aligns with your values and brings you true happiness. Thanks for watching The Great Lie, unmasking the truth behind wealth and success. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we can redefine what it means to be successful and live a life of true abundance.